A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is duty lies in action. Truth needs to be lived, not endlessly explained. Ladies and gentlemen, the modern world is filled with voices. Words travel across screens, echo in meetings, spill into conversations, yet clarity is often lost in the noise. Life brings its share of storms, personal choices, work pressures, and social demands, layering upon one another until the mind feels crowded. At times, what is right is known, yet hesitation prevails. In such moments, truth is not measured by how well it is spoken, but by how faithfully it is lived. Science affirms this repeatedly. Knowledge of what sustains health changes nothing until it shapes daily habits. Awareness of environmental dangers has no impact unless it alters patterns of energy use and consumption. Even the brain's structure is reshaped only when intention is transformed into steady, repeated actions. Ancient wisdom carries the same message. Stoic thought taught that character is defined by deeds. Zen philosophy showed that understanding is revealed in the sweep of the broom, not the depth of the lecture. Confucian ethics measured sincerity through conduct, not promise. And in the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna declares that action is the bridge between knowing and becoming. Without it, wisdom remains dormant. Yet the Bhagavad Gita further offers a subtler nudge. Not every truth needs to be explained again and again, nor will it always be understood in the moment. Understanding depends on readiness, not on the number of explanations offered. Like the sun that does not argue with passing clouds, truth shines quietly until the clouds drift away. Silence, far from being weakness, can be the purest form of strength. In daily life, this is evident. Integrity is proven not through declarations on honesty, but through unseen choices that uphold it. Compassion is revealed not in words alone, but in the willingness to share another's burden in difficult hours. The gap between stated principles and lived choices is the space where truth is either honored or abandoned. And in that space, quiet dignity often speaks louder than prolonged defense. What's the way forward? Living truth does not mean rushing forward without thought, nor remaining endlessly in preparation. It rests in uniting clarity of intention with steady movement. Three guiding practices can anchor this balance. First, clarity in purpose. Identify the principle that guides the present choice. Second, consistency in action. Allow small, regular acts to shape character more deeply than rare dramatic gestures. Third, reflection with movement. Learn from each step, but resist the pull of perpetual hesitation. Such living also calls for detachment, not only from the fruits of action, but from the need to be constantly understood. Peace deepens when worth is no longer tied to another's perception. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the course of history has never been determined by the beauty of words alone, but by the strength of actions. Science confirms it, experience proves it, and wisdom through the ages affirms it. Truth is not meant for endless explanation. It is meant for living. When truth is carried into action, it gains a life that outlasts its source and strengthens the world it touches. As Lord Krishna states in the Bhagavad Gita, your right is to perform your duty only, but never to its fruits. Let not the fruits of action be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. This is the timeless call to let truth flow through the hand, the step, and the choice, with the quiet confidence that understanding will come in its own time. For in action lies the only proof that truth was ever truly known. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.